You had a good conversation. They said, "Send me something." You sent it. Nothing came back. That is not bad luck. That is a missing system. Sales is a system, and you can learn it. Start with the mindset. Your job is to help someone decide, not to talk them into anything. Tell the truth about what your product does not do. Say no when you are not the fit. Pressure closes one deal. Honesty builds a pipeline. Next, get clear on who hurts. Write a persona card. One buyer, their job title, the problem that keeps costing them money, what they want instead, and why you. One page. If you cannot fill it in, you do not know your buyer yet. Now, generate leads and qualify them. A lead becomes qualified when there is a real problem, a budget, and someone who can say yes. Track them in a simple CRM or a spreadsheet with 5 stages. Lead, qualified, discovery, proposal, closed. Every deal sits in one stage. Nothing lives in your head. Then discovery. Ask before you pitch. Write 5 questions and keep the list open on your desk. What are you using now? What does that cost you in a month? What happens if you do nothing? Listen longer than feels comfortable. Take notes in their words. Now the demo. Show only the 3 things that solve what they told you. 10 minutes, not 40. Then, handle objections with an objection map. Price. Reframe against the cost of the problem. Timing. Find the deadline they already have. Competitor. Name their strength, then show the difference that matters to this buyer. Closing is not a trick. Say what happens next, who does it, and by when. Get it in writing, even a short email agreement. Then keep the follow-up you promised. Most deals are lost in silence. Pricing supports the goal. Offer 3 packages. A small entry, a main offer, a larger one. Most buyers choose the middle. Then do the math backwards from your revenue target. Average deal size times deals closed equals the number. Measure 3 numbers. Conversion rate, stage to stage. Average deal size. Pipeline coverage, open pipeline divided by your target, and aim for roughly 3 times. Forecast the next 30 days by adding up only the deals with a real next step on the calendar. Then, build a 90-day plan. 1 experiment, 1 metric, 1 review every Friday. Change 1 thing at a time so you know what worked. Today, do 3 things. Pick 1 ideal buyer. Write 5 discovery questions. Open your pipeline. The system starts working the moment you write it down.